Hi guys, it is time for us to start working on our Superhero Universe project. Here are all of our slides that we're working on. We have several. We can see them all at the same time if I press this grid view. Other people are going to be working on it at the same time. You might see little circles pop up with people's profiles. That means other people are in your project. How do you know? You'll see their profile pop up right there. If I go here, I'm clicking inside that. If I'm on another page and I look at it, I can see that this has been highlighted. That person's name is up here. You know someone else is working on the same slide. Do not work on that slide the same time as the other person. That's really important to remember. Let's take a look from the beginning and see what we're going to be doing. You're going to be adding your superhero universe name right here. You're going to be adding in names of everyone in your group, what class you're in, who your teacher's name is, and then whatever year it is. We're going to meet the heroes. We're going to be inserting an image of your superhero in here and sizing it really small. And then click underneath it and you'll add your superhero name and your superpower. Once you've added yourself to this page, you can make your own slide with your own superhero. This is one person's slide. Everybody should have a hero slide. Click here and then press the plus button and it will do more slides. Then we're going to start working on each slide. Here are some rules that we have to think about when you're working in a group. Number one, talk before you type. You all need to talk about it together and pick one person to type for each slide. Make decisions together. Be respectful of everyone's ideas. You will have to compromise and take people's ideas, work them together. We're not going to argue. We're going to think about it and see how we can make our story better. Once we make that decision as a group, someone needs to type in and answer questions. It's really important that we write incomplete sentences. We have school-appropriate ideas. And it's team decisions. It's not one person, it's a team decision. When it's time to type, come back in here. What is happening in our universe? We can start adding text. Click inside to add text. If you're typing and it's too big, all you have to do is make sure that this is clicked where it says shrink text to fit the shape, and then everything will stay inside that box. We have a slide for our universe. Where does this universe exist? What makes this universe different? Key locations in our universe, important parts of our universe. We have rules of the universe, what powers are allowed, what limits do the superheroes have, what can they not do, how do heroes work together in this universe, what happens when rules are broken. Talk together before you type, make decisions, and allow one person to type on this slide. What is the goal of the universe? What are you trying to stop, fix, or protect? How will the heroes work together to solve this problem? What could go wrong? Are there obstacles? Do you have a villain? What is happening with our universe? We have the beginning of the story, we have the middle of the story, and we have the end. After we're finished with the beginning, middle, and end, you've worked together, talked, typed, made decisions, then go to reflection. One for every person in the team. Click on that. Go to the plus sign and make a slide for each person. Make sure you click inside and answer each question. At the end, type your name and roll. If we lost this text box and don't know what to do, you could make a new text box. But you could also go to layout and click that layout and the text box will come back. I've built it where there are safeguards in place. Before we get started, let's talk about how we can put our hero from last week's project into our project. Go to your Google Drive and find your project from last week, the Build Your Superhero. Here's my superhero. You should have grouped it in your last week's project, but in case you didn't, let me walk you through. You got your head and body. Click on the head, hold down the shift button, click on your body, and now both are highlighted. Take your hand off the shift button, right click, that's your yellow dot on your mouse, and press group. Now, this moves all together. You need to right click and copy, or you can press Control C, whichever works for you. Then we're going to come back to our Super Universe template. Press Control V or right click and paste. You have your image and need to resize it. Use the handles on the corners. Go to your slide. Make sure you're not with someone else. Press Control V, resize to fit. There we go. And now our superhero is on both pages. Once it's there, click inside and name your superhero. I know it's really small here. It's because the text boxes are formatted so it fits. We're going to find more of our details on your own page. Things to remember. Do not work on the same slide at the same time. Do not delete other people's work. Don't do it. That's rude. We don't delete other people's work. Do not delete slides. Do not change the background of slides. All of these backgrounds have been chosen for this project. And do not move slides around. They need to stay in this order. This project is about teamwork and creativity, problem solving, and working together. We're not going to rush through this. Take your time, work together, and I cannot wait to see the results of your superhero universe.